Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? And no, you can pair your left earbud to one device and your right earbud to another device. These earbuds support dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your earbuds, but not as I said before. Now, also you can listen to music with one earphone. You remove only one earphone from the charging case, then close the case, and you can use only this one. And to prove it for you, let's go to the settings, Bluetooth, and as you can see we still have connection, so it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!